Right, I'm doing a maintenance wash, so I am. It's on white cotton 90. The heat shield is at 50. So I presume it's definitely about 85 inside. The drawer was absolutely manking on this. I've cleaned it a bit. It's way better now than what it was before, but I can't get the mold off it, that bit there. So yeah. I'm gonna be honest. I came here thinking that this machine was going to be a heap of trash. As you know, I don't really like Indesit, especially after my aunt's one. But so far, I haven't done any washing in it. It's just done its first wash. It actually doesn't seem too bad for me. You can't change temperature yet, and then it's a 1400 model. I just wish it had like extra rinse instead of easier, and that it tumbled a bit faster. It does them 20 RPM tumbles on the load sensing, and now it's doing these tumbles for the rest of the wash. Water level's good. I think it only does like 2 rinses though, which is a bit crap. But it is what it is. But it doesn't seem that bad. So it doesn't... I think that's the heater just clicking off now or clicking on. It heats, which is good. I presume for all of its life, this has been used on express wash and dry. That's what it was on whenever I came here. This machine absolutely reeked of mold. Like, it was plastered in mold. Like, everything was plastered in mold. Well, the door seal wasn't, but the drawer, Jesus God, where the water comes in was plastered and like it was really badly plastered in mold. Like, I'm not so shocked it was able to fill up. It was that bad. But it seems to be okay. I think this is like the static phase that it does. I can't really record videos of it like I thought it would have been. I thought it would have been like in an actual utility area. So first problem we have is that it's in a bathroom. There's 2 bathrooms in this place. We are basically like renting this out for 2 days. So people are coming to use this bathroom as the main one with the bath and shower. So people will be using this. So I can't really do full cycles. I'll do part cycles though. And 2 is with the door. If I have my tripod here, it's being knocked over as soon as that door's open. So yeah, I can't really do full videos, but I will do like part cycle videos. So, but like I'm gonna stick on a towel wash tonight, and it takes like 5 hours or something. I brought my detergent along, so detergent that will always be used in this is Ariel pods. And some comfort. But I'm cleaning this out with Dr. Beckman. I'm just happy that it heats, to be honest, with how poorly condition this is in, and nothing's wrong. One of the paddles is loose, but it isn't off. I need to clean out the filter after. And I want to see how the washer dryer is, like the drying part. Just hope it works, to be honest. So yeah, I hope I can get some. Oh, that's it going on the cool down now. I'm just gonna film this, to be honest. I'm sorry about the reflection. So I'll film like the cool down part and the first spin, like, an hour and a half. I take it that it's gonna like jump down or something. You know what? Wait till that goes on. Hold on. Oops, sorry guys. Sorry guys, I'm just shutting this door. I'm gonna set this down. Oh dear, sorry guys. The best I can do is like, I'll film like the first spin for you. Sorry about that. Yeah. I'm sorry about background noise. Oops. Oh dear. I'll move out of the way so that you can't really see my reflection because of this. I just hope that you can't really pick up any background noise because I do want to upload this. So I'll just film the cooldown on the first spin. It doesn't do a distribution cooldown, which is a bit of a shame, but it is what it is. I'm just thinking. I don't even know if this has auto clean or not. I don't think it does though. So I don't know. If it did then oh well, but I don't think it does. And anyway, Cotton 90 was just better as it is longer. But I'm a bit impressed for it being an Indesit. It isn't as shit as I thought it was gonna be. But whether I'd actually have it for a daily machine would be another story. I just don't like the fact that it only does 2 rinses, but it doesn't seem that bad. I'm trying to be as unbiased as possible. But the comedy was like this as well. Impressed me at the start and then didn't. But I don't know what this is going to be like. Sorry about that guys. So it is on the first spin now. It's got an hour and a half left. Brushed motor, obviously. I'm sorry if this angle's absolutely awful. I like to do this. Oh, sorry guys. I don't know what that camera angle was like. Probably ungodly awful. Fuck shit. I think this might drop to about 40 minutes. Thank God.